Hi friends, it's to inform you that I'm going to start English classes from base. I would like to start from tenses. So if you want to proceed with me, then kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all videos on your screen. So let's start it. First of all, we understand what is tense. Actually, in grammar, tense is a category that expresses time reference with reference to the moment of speaking. Tenses are usually manifested by the use of specific forms of verbs, particularly in their conjugation patterns. The main tenses found in many languages include the past, present, and future. Uh, Now we discuss about types of tenses. First of all, there is past tense, then present tense, and future tense. Today our main focus is on present tense, so that's why we just understand the uses of present tense, where to use present tense. The present tense is used for anything that happens right now or for general statements. Next, in present tense we have four subtypes: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Present simple tense and its uses. We use present simple tense for permanent situations. For example, I live in London. Habits: I go for morning walk. For daily work, I read newspaper daily. Journal facts: my name is Mr. John. Moving further, we need to understand the types of sentences we are going to use in these tenses. First of all, positive sentence. We will talk about its identification. In positive sentence, we have not and question mark. Negative sentence always carries not. Interrogative sentence carries question mark in the end. So one thing more we need to move forward, that is types of personal pronouns. First person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. First person pronoun, when we talk about ourselves, we use words like I, me, my, our, us, etc. These all are first person pronouns. Second person pronoun, when we talk with someone, we use words like you, yours. These two are second person pronouns. Third person pronoun, when two persons talk about other person or thing, then they use he, she, it, they, etc. These all are third person pronouns. Now we will talk about present simple tense. Under present simple tense, about positive sentence, how to make a positive sentence in present simple tense. To make it, we need subject plus first form verb or first form verb plus s or es plus object. So we need to understand it, where to use first form verb, where to use s plus es plus first form verb, where to use first form verb. We can say it root form of verb as well. With first person singular I, second person singular you, and with any plural subject like people, players, etc., we use first form verb. For example, students study books. Here students is a plural subject, so we used first form verb study, and after that object books. Second example, I like to play hockey. And where to use first form verb plus s or es. With third person singular he, she, it, or any singular subject, we use s or es with first form verb. For example, John goes to school daily. He plays football. Here John is a singular subject, so that's why we used first form verb plus es, then object. In second example, he is also a singular subject, so that's why play plus s, plays football. How to We will learn how to make negative sentence in present simple tense. First of all, we need subject plus do or does plus not plus first form verb plus object. Do or does here helping verb. Do we use with first person and second person singular, as we talked before, I and you, and with any plural subject we use do. Does we use with third person singular, he, she, it, and with any singular subject. For example, he is a singular subject, so that's why does plus not plus first form verb plus object. Second example, you do not like me. You is a second person singular, so that's why we use do plus not plus first form verb plus object. Now we come to talk about interrogative sentence. To make interrogative sentence, we use do or does first plus subject plus first form verb plus object plus question mark. If you want to make any interrogative sentence in any tense, you need helping verb put first. For example, do you like me? Here we use do first, then subject, then plus first form verb, then object, then question mark. Same as does she read books? Does we put first, then subject, then first form verb, then object, then question mark. Then we talk about irregular verbs in present simple. We use irregular verbs in present tense as well as is, am, or are. There are three irregular verbs. Is we use with singular subject. He, she, John. Am we use with I. Are we use with plural subjects or with we. For example, I am right. He is a good boy. We are great. Okay, this was my presentation of present simple. If you like this video, put like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.